Can I wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for all our subscribers, but don't forget, if you do have someone you love who installs central heating, then the best present you could possibly buy are our 2 books. They're on special offer, which is absolutely amazing. But if you have someone you love who's an electrician, then we've got a fantastic book for you. There's a good Sparky. Thank you very much. Anyway, what we've got is the wiring book and app, all in colour. So you can order those today or download the app, and you'll get it within the next few days. Hopefully, if all goes well, we send all our books first class through Royal Mail. So once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.